Hello, everybody. So, today we're going to talk about Shopify Plus Enterprise. So, Shopify Plus, the enterprise focused version of Shopify, is used by a wide range of businesses, including those in the beauty, fashion, and sportswear industries, as well as large companies like Ford Motors, Budweiser, and Red Bull. It provides features like unlimited development stores, up to 200 locations for inventory management, and up to 50 markets. Some notable brands leveraging Shopify Plus includes Allbirds, Gymshark, Kylie Cosmetics, and Heinz. So here are some examples. Allbirds. This company uses Shopify Plus to power its online store, selling eco-friendly shoes made from natural materials. Gymshark, a popular sportswear brand. Gymshark utilizes Shopify Plus for its online retail operations. Kylie Cosmetics. Kim Kardashian's beauty brand is another example of a company using Shopify Plus for its e-commerce platform. That's it. Thanks for watching.